The new brown.
When you're going for the ultimate in full body grooming, you can't forget your back. The MANGROOMER Ultimate Pro Back Shaver has you covered, allowing you to reach the most difficult to reach parts of your back while giving you the close, smooth shave you want. The MANGROOMER Ultimate Pro Back Shaver comes with 2 shaving heads, an ultra-wide blade design for longer, coarser hair, and a bonus Ultimate Pro Foil head for an ultra-smooth shave and maintaining your look. Both attachment heads feature a shock-absorbing, multifunctional flex neck and head that effortlessly follows the contours of your back for complete range of motion and the closest shave imaginable. The MANGROOMER Ultimate Pro Back Shaver includes a fully extendable and adjustable extreme reach handle, which locks into place at any range using the new Pro XL extension lock button to reach those difficult areas of your back, including the middle and lower portions of your back. The MANGROOMER Ultimate Pro Back Shaver's unique patented design includes a 135-degree opening for the ultimate shave, but can also lock to the preferred angle by using the patent-pending Power Hinge Easy Push Lock button, enabling you to reach all areas of your back with ease. It also conveniently folds and locks for easy storage and travel. We've also included our trademark MANGROOMER Power Burst button, giving you the ability to shave through extra thick and coarse back hair with the push of a button. The ergonomic design features a soft, rubberized grip, allowing for maximum control and comfort. We've also included the added convenience of a quick charge battery that allows for easy and fast recharging. Keeping your body and your back neat, clean, and well-groomed says you've got it all together. The MANGROOMER Ultimate.
Hi, I'm Paul Hockman for Panasonic. Beards, mustaches, manly hair sprouting from your chiseled face. Looks great, but when it gets out of control, well, there's a solution. The Panasonic ER-GB40 Beard and Hair Trimmer lets you shape and trim your facial hair, dry or wet, use shaving cream or gel, even take it in the shower for a comfortable trim. Yes, in the shower. Precision gaskets and a fully waterproofed case keep moisture out, which makes cleaning simple. Just hold the shaver under the tap. These tiny channels direct water up under the blades to flush out hair. You want an even trim? A built-in adjustable guide lets you crank in 19 settings for a precise length from 1 to 10 millimeters, meaning it cuts mainly stubble or a full flowing beard. Take the guide off entirely for detail work. Done? Drop the trimmer in this charging station, which, by the way, can also charge the Panasonic ER-GK40S adjustable body shaver. Charging gives you up to 50 minutes of shaving time. And the streamlined body? I mean this one? Also designed in Milan, Italy, the Panasonic GB40 Beard and Hair Trimmer. It's sharp.
night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We